Why are people buying old Sony Cyber-shot again? These cameras are more than 10 years old. Smartphones are technically better. And yet people are looking for cameras like this again. And after using the Sony Cyber-shot DSC-TX10, I think I understand why. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk about why old Sony Cyber-shot are becoming popular again. And I think the first reason is simple. The photos look different. Modern phones give us clean, sharp, processed photos. But old digital cameras give you something else. The colors, the highlights, the noise, and especially the direct flash give you that classic 2000 digital camera look. It's not perfect, but that's exactly why people like it. It has character. Another reason is the size. Look at how small the Sony TX10 is. You can put in your pocket, bring it anywhere, turn it on, take a photo, and that's it. No big lenses, no complicated settings. Sometimes photography is more enjoyable when you don't think too much. You just shoot. And I also miss cameras that look like this. The TX10 is super thin, has a sliding cover, touchscreen, and it is even designed to be waterproof. Sony Cyber-shot had some really interesting design back then. They didn't just feel like smaller version of professional cameras. They had their own personality. So I think people are buying old Cyber-shot because they are technically better than modern cameras. They're buying them because they are fun. The photos look different, they're small, they're simple, and they give you that nostalgic Digicam experience.
I got a drip out of Lita, nice to meet ya. Alpha baby, I'm a leader. Good anywhere, just like a visa. I'm the whole damn package, got the features. If you wanna drive the boat, I can teach ya. Stay weight, that's all I mean, ya. All I know is get a cream on a daily.
And before we end this video guys, I want to share something special. As someone who loves cameras, photography, and filmmaking, I'm starting a new journey in one of the most beautiful islands in the Philippines. Introducing Siquijor Camera House, a camera rental service made for travelers, vloggers, and creators visiting Siquijor. Soon you can rent cameras, lenses, and creator tools, from simple travel cameras, vlogging setup, up to cinematic creator packages. So even if you travel without bringing your own gear, you can still capture amazing memories, because when you visit a beautiful place like Siquijor, don't just explore the island. Capture your story. Our rental service is coming soon, so please support us by liking and following our official Facebook page, Siquijor Camera House. Be part of our journey from the beginning. Rent, shoot, and explore.
We be going crazy, like, wow.
So, would I choose this over my modern cameras for serious work? Of course not. But for travel, casual photos, and just having fun, absolutely. Now tell me in the comments, would you still buy an old Sony Cyber-shot in 2026? And if you enjoy old compact cameras contents like this, subscribe because I have more cameras I want to talk about. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
I like everything top tier, cause I'm top tier. Future looking bright, shine bright like a chandelier. I'm just trying to win, I ain't trying to be cavalier. You can meet me at the top if you bout it, yeah.